I don't think that is cheating. I think that is just keep it. For me as a man, flirting with other females is like keeping my manhood alive. You understand? Yeah. Not take, it's not sometimes when a man flirt, it doesn't mean that he's going to go out there and cheat on his woman sexually. You know? Sometimes if as a woman, if you see a man doing that, you should allow him to have a little flirt at times because that alone will keep him away from off the road. If you
Well,
see a man
with that, I okay, like as far as keeping it spontaneous, we
yeah,
can talk about, oh, look at that girl. She got a fat ass. Or, we
yeah,
do things like that together. But
okay,
as far as a man cheating by himself, like not by himself, but like just wandering off, he's having
yeah,
some type of fantasies about that girl. And that's how she's connecting with him some type of way. And they start exchanging numbers, or maybe they might not exchange numbers at that time, but another time they will see each other, or he may think of her. And that's how things start, you know,
Oh,
slowly getting that way. But I feel as some women is a little too, oh, don't look at another woman, because we all have eyes and it wanders. You know what I'm
yeah.
saying? But I feel like we can have fun with it. Keep him interested in you. So you can be like, oh, babe, look at that little fat ass over there. You want to go touch it, but he know he can't touch it. You know what I'm saying? Just keep him a little
Yeah,
excited,
so
yeah,
but he know
man.
he
Keep it
can't touch
you
it.
guys,
consistent.
do you believe in open, spontaneous relationship? What do you think of that as cheating?
Well, if all the parties taking part in this relationship come to some agreement, I guess it's fine. But for me, I don't think I would be interested in that.
So, Amelia, what is your take about that?
Well, as far as that, I know a lot of men say, yeah, why not be spontaneous? But that's only if it's woman and woman. They don't want you to be spontaneous with another man.
No,
So that's
no,
where
no.
he's coming from. That's
Yeah, because
where
a
he's
man
coming
will go there, a man will go there and say, "Oh, babe, I want a threesome," and you say, "Okay, a threesome with two girls." But if you say no, with two guys, he will go off his rockets about that. So, what is
from.
the fear or the justification in that?
It's automatically two girls, basically, you know. And that's just the way men, they don't want two men unless they like that. I don't know if they want to, but automatically two girls.